Today we learn 20 useful English phrases you must know at airports, hotels, buses, taxis, and new countries. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Let's begin. Airport phrases. 1. I need a taxi. Use this after landing at an airport. Say it to airport staff or taxi counters. 2. How much is this? Use when buying food, SIM cards, transport, or small items. 3. Where is the hotel? Useful when you need directions at the airport or outside. 4. I need help. A simple emergency phrase when you feel lost or confused. 5. Please guide me. Use when someone is showing you the correct line or gate. Hotel phrases. 6. I need a room. Say this at the reception when checking in. 7. Is breakfast included? Very important for hotel booking and planning. 8. What time is checkout? Most hotels have checkout between 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. 9. Where is the bus stop? Useful if you want to explore the city cheaply. 10. I need a ticket. Say this for bus, train, ferry, or museum entrances. Safety and communication phrases. 11. Is this safe? Use this before taking unknown transport or walking areas. 12. How long will it take? Use for taxi rides, airport shuttles, and tours. 13. Please speak slowly. Use when locals talk fast. 14. I don't understand. A polite way to ask someone to repeat. 15. Can you show me? Ask them to point or show the route. 16. I am lost. Use when you need help finding your way. 17. I need directions. Say this to police officers or shopkeepers. Polite ending phrases. 18. Thank you for your help. Always show gratitude. 19. That's okay. Use this when everything is fine or there is a small mistake. 20. See you again. A friendly way to end conversation with staff or new friends. Travel English is simple and powerful. Practice these phrases slowly every day. When you speak clearly, people understand you better. Safe travels, and see you in the next lesson.